Hello, this is Amina. Welcome to HW News English. Suspended JDS leader Prajwal Revanna has been sent to police custody till 6 June. He was produced before a Bangalore court today. The special investigation team, which is probing the case, had sought a 15 days custody. The counsel for the defense had instead suggested that Revanna be sent to 1 day custody. The court ruled that Prajwal Revanna's lawyer will be allowed to meet him between 9:30 a.m. and 10:30 a.m. on a daily basis. Today, Prajwal Revanna, accused in a sexual harassment case, upon his arrival at Bangalore airport, was immediately taken into custody by the Special Investigation Team SIT. He was handed over to SIT by the airport security. After his arrest, Prajwal had given his first statement through his lawyer. He said that he is ready to face the law. Moreover, Prajwal had requested the press not to do media trial as the allegations are yet to be proven. Plus, this arrest of Prajwal Revanna was made by an all-women team of Bangalore police. The women police were led by 2 IPS officers. Prajwal was taken in a jeep in which only women police were there. They took him to the CID office. According to PTI, a source in the SIT has revealed that it was a conscious call to send all women officers to arrest Prajwal, to send a message that Prajwal exploited his seat as an MP with women. And now women have the authority to arrest him through all legal proceedings. Also, the SIT, which is probing the case, has issued a notice to Prajwal's mother, Bhavani Revanna, for questioning on June 1st. Prajwal Revanna returned back to India from Germany nearly after a month. He left the country in April on a diplomatic passport. Upon his arrival in India, his 2 check-in bags were confiscated by the SIT. Prajwal Revanna is facing allegations of sexual harassment and criminal intimidation following a complaint by a house help. Plus, Revanna is also facing 2 other sexual assault complaints in connection with the obscene videos which were leaked on the internet, which showed Prajwal allegedly assaulting women on camera. The case came into light after several pen drives allegedly containing explicit videos involving Revanna were circulated. Meanwhile, Karnataka Home Minister has assured full protection to the victims. He further said that those who have faced trouble from Prajwal can come forward and file complaints to the SIT and police. The MEA has meanwhile said that the government has initiated action to revoke Revanna's diplomatic passport. Well, that's all for this news report. Till then, keep watching HW News English and download our app News Shorts to get the latest news and updates.
A grueling 6-week-long general election in India is coming to an end. 543 constituencies across the length and breadth of India.
लोकसभा चुनाव 2024 आ चुका है अपने अंतिम पड़ाव पर। कौन होगा विजय? किसकी बनेगी सरकार?
Will the BJP do 400 par, a claim made by the Prime Minister, or will the opposition India Alliance stage a comeback?
अब की बार
Join us as we bring to you expert analysis and incisive and in-depth perspectives on who has the edge.
पाए सटीक विश्लेषण, बिना किसी शोर, बिना किसी सनसनी, हमारे इस विशेष लाइव।
So join us for the exit poll on the 1st and for the final results on the 4th. See you then.
Exit polls coverage on 1st June 6:30 p.m. onwards. Result day on 4th June 7 a.m. onwards.
सिर्फ HW News English और HW News Network पर।
Stay ahead with our cutting edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.